While clinical labs typically test for SMN1 and SMN2 copy number for SMA carrier screening and diagnostic testing, there are several other alterations that are also important to inform disease severity and carrier status of SMA. Also, current SMN1 and SMN2 testing methodologies can have unnecessarily complicated and time-consuming workflows that may not provide all relevant genetic information. Assuragen's AmplideX PCR CE SMN1 Plus kit provides a rapid, robust, and reliable method for providing comprehensive quality analysis of SMN1 and SMN2 with reduced complexity and an optimized workflow. Its multiplexed, scalable design allows for analysis of SMN1 and SMN2 copy number, relevant variants, and gene hybrids from a single PCR reaction, while the included AmplideX PCR CE reporter software automates variant calls and streamlines data analysis. At the same time, it uses an optimized workflow to go from DNA to data in less than 4 hours, with only 1 hour of hands-on time. The workflow is similar to other AmplideX assays, which facilitates implementation of the SMN1 Plus kit. It's also optimized for use on commonly installed CE equipment and is provided as fully kitted solution sourced from a single vendor, streamlining the process. This means less tech time, faster turnaround time, and fewer QA events due to a simplified workflow. And AmplideX PCR CE SMN1 Plus kit's quality results speak for themselves in how well it differentiates between 0, 1, 2, 3, and equal to or greater than 4 copies for both SMN1 and SMN2, automates variant and copy number genotyping, and demonstrates accuracy through comparisons with multiple orthogonal methods. So all of the relevant information is reliably detected in only a single trace. It's 1 reaction, 2 genes, 3 variants in under 4 hours. Join laboratories from around the world using AmplideX PCR CE SMN1 Plus kit to report copy number and relevant variants and gene hybrids with groundbreaking speed. For more information, visit our website today.